Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the target device and plugging the USB to serial cable into your computer. Do this now. Once connected, make sure the correct driver is installed and that your user account has permission to access serial ports. You should then identify the port name shown by the OS. This is critical because the terminal must open that exact interface. If multiple ports appear, disconnect and reconnect to see which one changes to confirm the right port. Once you know the port, open your serial terminal application and select that interface. Next, configure communication parameters. Set the baud rate to the device specification, choose parity, 7 or 8 data bits, and the correct stop bits. These must match the device for readable data. Make sure flow control matches hardware expectations. Enable RTS/CTS if the board uses it. Also set new line conversion and local echo, so typed characters and line endings behave as the device expects. You now test by typing a known command or issuing a reset to the device and watching for output. Success confirms settings. Once live, interact as intended and use the terminal's logging feature to capture output for later analysis. If you get no response or garbled text, recheck wiring and ground, verify the baud and parity match exactly, confirm the correct port and driver, and ensure the device is powered. If problems persist, try another cable or terminal program as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.